Welcome back to K&M Bricks.
K&M Bricks.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We went to the store and picked up some Lego stuff.
Yeah.
We got some green base plates for when we get doing the new layout. And then we got the cute bunny that people have been turning into the face hugger from Predator and Alien, or from Alien. And we're gonna do the same, I think. And then we got set number 60420. It's the construction excavator, and that's what we're going to do a review on. We've already built it last night, but we'll turn it around and do the video on it. Here is the excavator. You can see it's decent size. It does have 3 minifigs with. I think it's supposed to be like a general contractor or maybe a foreman, and 2 workers, one working the jackhammer and another one is a operator for the excavator. And then you got the arm up here for it. Pretty long, decent sized arm. Definitely looks like it could pick up quite a bit of dirt. Try to operate it here. Goes down and back up, as well as the bucket pushes in, or the upper arm in and out, and then the bucket up and down. It also comes with a couple construction debris pieces to pick up, kind of like that, and then you can use the bucket to pick them up. It also comes with 2 little caution, little fence off pieces. These are printed 1x6s. And then there's a couple stickers, the elephant on there, these caution pieces on the back here, and then the elephant and 80 ton on the arm. And then these caution pieces are printed as well. There's 4 on each side. And then you got the printed dial there, and another one right there. Then on the inside, this little compartment does open. You got the little engine for it, and it's pretty cool. The engine can come out. I guess it's supposed to look like a little diesel engine. And then inside the little compartment that it sits, and then that just closes back up, and the little exhaust port there. I like the little operator corner.
Daddy, this car has a lot of wheels.
Yeah, it does. Show 'em. Let's see. Ooh, is that the race car with all the wheels? Show them. You got. Ooh, that looks fast.
Yeah.
Matt, you got another car?
Oh, cool.
Yeah. And this compartment piece just lifts off, connected with the 2 studs there and 2 studs up here, and just goes back on just like that. And then the minifig sits in there pretty nicely. And it does have suggestion of a cage. Here is the operator inside. You can see she's got plenty of room. Looks like she's almost touching the controls. And then the other side here is just a little platform that I guess you could, you know, the minifig could climb up here and then climb up here to get into the engine compartment. I don't think it's anything besides that. And then it does have a little blueprint for the ice cream shop, which now I guess we need to pick that up so we can build it. So the crane can build it here, or the crane, the excavator. It also has a couple hair pieces for the minifigs. This one is for the contractor guy, and then this one is for the jackhammer operator when they don't have their helmets on. And then the set does come with one of the brick separators. The body also can rotate separate of the tracks. The tracks are the same front and back, or left and right, front and back as well. And then there is 41 of these track pieces on each side. And they do rotate. And then you do have a couple lights here and there. Around the vehicle, gives it, you know, that realistic look. And then you got the grill for the intakes there for the engine compartment. What do you think of the excavator? You like it?
Yeah.
What do you like about it? Arm goes up and down on it?
Yeah.
No. Drop the guy.
How you get on the dirt?
You scoop it up. Oh no. That's not supposed to happen because it doesn't turn. The whole body turns. That's okay because it didn't break too bad. See, already fixed. Just scoop up, whoop, and turn the whole thing. Not just the arm like I was trying to do. Trying to get the whole body to turn, and it was holding the body. You like it though?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like the elephant on it? You like the elephants?
Yeah.
Instead of the cats?
I made the Lego.
The Lego. Okay. What are we going to do today?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know either.
Stretch your mat. Stretch your mat. Stretch your mat.
Yeah, let's show. Is that the instruction map?
Yeah.
Called a blueprint.
Yeah. It goes on that.
Yeah, it's for this because they're going to build the ice cream shop. Okay. You ready? I think we're going to go eat lunch now. Yeah, I think we're going to go eat lunch and take a nap.
Why?
Because it's that time of the day already.
And where are we going?
I don't think we're going anywhere.
What?
We're going to sit and relax at home.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. You ready to say bye, everyone?
Bye.
You're melting. Why are you melting? Why are you melting? You're turning into lava. You're turning into lava.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you for watching.
I feel
Yeah. Come on. No more melting. No more melting. Stop melting. Okay. Maverick melted. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And commenting and subscribing. And we'll see you later, alligator.
Later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
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 Catch you on the next one.
Do it.